If you like coffee and you don't know what this is, then you gotta get one. I never knew what a coffee frother is, but basically, you make your own foam with your coffee just like they do at the coffee shop. To try this out, I had to use regular milk because I didn't have any creamer, but I suggest probably using some creamer. All you do is press down the button on the top and it makes foam out of your milk. Here's me giving it a try. I learned after a little bit of spillage, it's probably best if you use it at the bottom. And now you got your own cold foam. Cheers.